10 best leg workout exercises. Chicken legs are one of the best things. They are tasty. They are full of flavor protein. There are multiple numbers of ways that you can cook them, and they would come out good every time. Just make sure you don't burn them. As they say, finger licking good. But if you have chicken legs, then my friend, it is not a great thing. There are people out there who have chicken legs even though they work out a lot, and you can blame your genetics as much as you want, but that is not going to change the fact. So how to convert these skinny little legs into a massive piece of muscle? Well, it's your lucky day, because today we are going to talk about the 10 best leg workout exercises, and after doing these exercises for a few months, you will definitely see astonishing results. So let's load up our creatine and get started. First of all, we all should know that a leg workout is essential. Legs are one of the largest muscles of your body. During leg workouts, the major muscle group of your body gets engaged. It helps in improving overall athletic performance, and it also supports healthy movement patterns. It also helps in preventing our body from severe injuries and chronic conditions like arthritis, diabetes, and most of heart disease. It also boosts up your testosterone and helps in the overall growth of your body. So legs are far more critical than you think. Don't skip your leg day from now on. With that, let's start with number 10, barbell squats. This is the king and absolute best. It challenges your body to its absolute limits. All the lower body muscles are included in this, but the quads are the primary part where it hits. It also spikes the release of muscle-building hormones. Squatting can result in the growth of the entire body. There are a couple of variations in it, and you should do it according to your needs. Use a high bar when you want to hit all the parts of your legs, and use a low bar when you want to put more pressure on your glutes and lift more. But remember to keep your back straight, and if you are not able to push it up, then drop the bar behind you. And it's better to keep a spotter. They keep you safe. Moving on to number 9, we have barbell front squats. I know, but no, they both are entirely different exercises. Barbell front squats include more quads movement and less participation of hams and glutes. In this, you can go deeper and build up pressure on your quads. It also focuses on your upper body, as you would need a strong core to hit the higher set. It also reduces the risk of lower back injury, which is always a possibility with regular barbell squats. It also helps you to build up your upper back and a solid core. So, it's a must-try. On number 8, we have Olympic lifts, snatch and power clean. Now this is an exercise that requires a lot of concentration and training. There is a very slim chance that you are going to perfect it on your first try, unless and until you are destined for bodybuilding. But once you learn it, it is one of the most effective exercises. It also increases your squat strength, improves your mind-body connection, and also releases a high amount of testosterone. Only doing a few reps or sets of this exercise will push you to your limits, as it requires a sudden burst of energy. I highly recommend this exercise, but be sure to perform it under your trainer's supervision. I would not like it if you get hurt. I mean, who will set new PR then? On number 7, we have the deadlift. Now, this is one of the favorite exercises, and I love performing it. This is an exercise that focuses on every part of your body. It hits your quads and your lower back, making it much stronger. And if you are using a wide grip or sumo-style stance, then it would hit your inner hams perfectly. Regular practice of this will not only make you stronger, but will also give your legs the definition that they need. On number 6, we have split squat. Now, this is the exercise that many people ignore, but it is highly effective. If done correctly, it puts more tension than squats on your quads. Surprising, right? They are challenging to perform because of the whole balancing thing. I mean, you have to balance yourself on one leg after all. But if balance is something that is holding you back on doing the split squats, then you can go ahead and use the Smith machine. It will help you to keep the weight stable. Also, this exercise will boost your testosterone a lot, so try to include it in your schedule. Number 5, we have hack squat. Oh God, I really hate this exercise, but I love the pump that I get after this. The best part of hack squats is that you can adjust your foot placement, and then it will start to hit different places of your legs. You can specifically train a muscle using hack squats. It is a strenuous exercise that is done on a machine. If you are a beginner, then it would be really difficult for you to do this exercise with heavy weight. But if you keep going, you will reach a decent amount in no time. Also, it boosts the muscle growth hormone. This exercise will take you to a sweat bath, but trust me, it is worth it. Think about the pump that you will be getting. Moving on to number 4, We have lunges. Now there is a common misconception between the beginners that lunges hit the quads. No, they don't. The primary muscle that lunges hit is the hamstring and glutes. At first, it was the most boring exercise for me, but as soon as I realized how much it was helping me, I started doing it more often. There are a number of alterations of this exercise, but my favorite is walking lunges, and in those, you stretch up your leg and bend your knee, and then you keep on walking. This makes it challenging to perform, but the results that we get are absolute pumping of the muscles. On number 3, we have the leg press. One of the best exercises that can be done on machine. Now, don't start the debate of leg press vs squats. You can target outer quads, inner quads, or the glutes in leg press, depending on your foot position. Keep your back straight and don't curl up your spine. When weight is coming down, open your legs in the outward direction. This will result in a perfect rep and a perfect hit on the muscle. Also, do remember to take support when you get, because after this exercise, you will need that support. Moving forward, we present you with number 2, the Romanian Deadlift. There are many variations of this exercise, but the one that I personally recommend is the Barbell Romanian Deadlift. It majorly focuses on your hamstrings, and hamstrings give your legs a great definition. In this, your leg is stationary at one position, and you go down, but the bar never touches the floor. This creates tension in your hams, tearing those muscles fibers perfectly. It is the best exercise for women powerlifters, and many professionals recommend it to increase your strength. Now on to the last one, the most common exercise that wasn't on this list, leg curls. If you love doing barbell curls for your biceps, then why not do something for your legs too? Go curl a little. Most of the people skip this exercise because they think that they have trained their hamstrings enough, but trust me, hams are the ones that give your legs volume from the side. Thick hams mean thick legs. I don't know why people forget this. It is a single joint machine with a fundamental movement, but the thing that makes this exercise special is the amount of tension it creates in the lower hams, which does not get focused on squats and deadlifts. So this exercise is essential, so do not skip it. Now that I have told you how you can turn your chicken legs into big muscles, I rest my case. This was all for today. Now you tell us in the comments which exercise you love the most. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your gym, bro, and get big together. Do subscribe to the channel for more updates like this. Until next time, bye-bye.